this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two PDF documents into one. So the first thing we need to do is just open up an internet browser and just head over to a search engine like Google. Now, once you're on your search engine, search for Combine PDF and hit enter. And there's a bunch of different online tools that you can use to do this. The one that I like to use is this top one here, combinepdf.com. Now, once you're on this website, click on the Upload Files button and just locate the PDF documents that you want to combine into one. Now, you can actually combine up to 20 PDF documents all at once, but for this demonstration, we're just going to be using these two here. So I'm going to select both of the documents like this and press open, and then give that a few seconds while it goes and converts your PDF documents. Now, what you need to do here is reorder the PDF documents in the order that you want them displayed on your PDF. So you can reorder these just by holding down the left mouse click and reordering them like so. Now, once they're in the correct order, click on the combine button, and that's going to go ahead and appear in your downloads folder at the top here. Now, if you can't find this folder, you can always just click on downloads from your file explorer. And now if I go and open up this PDF document, you can see that we have our two PDF documents combined into one. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.